Hello everyone and welcome to a new video update for XRP Ripple price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, and just a brief of what is going on in the history of Ripple. So what we are looking for, basically, after a history study, we saw that we got an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. We saw a massive correction. After it was a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, or an ABC. Both correction leads us to an uptrend after finishing those two corrections, whatever it is. So what we are looking for is an A, a B, and a C, right? So, and a zigzag, or a 1, a 2, but preferably now it is an A, B, C before claiming any bigger impulse than this. So inside the daily chart, we are looking for an impulse, a start of an impulse, right after finishing the correction, the main correction that we saw in the weekly. And as I mentioned yesterday, that the wave one might have finished, right, since we see here a higher high. And this is more than enough for a structure as an impulse to say, okay, this is a 5-wave impulse. It's a perfect wave 1. What we are looking for now is a wave 2. And inside the wave 2, then I'm looking for to reach this fib area, which is the most common area for a wave 2. After finishing an impulse, I want to see this wave 2 in 3 corrective waves, right? The first wave is a wave A, and the potential support level, the first support level is a 0.38, which is a very potential support level that it might rebound and retake that level again to hit almost the fib level. Now, is it necessary to get to this far? Of course not. Nothing is necessary, because for a wave 2, as you can see, those levels, those are all eligible levels for a wave 2. However, what is most common is in green. What is in invalidation or a very weak fib level for wave 2 is in red, the 886, while the white are possible, and the gray one are very light or very likely, okay, to be one of the support, but not so common. Okay, it is likely but not so common. Only we see this in a very strong trend. However, in XRP it's not that strong as Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin tends to take those levels as wave 2. However, so what we are looking for is a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have finished A, potentially finished A, and we are looking for B, and then a wave C. Now let's look much more closer what's going on inside. So on the 1 hour chart, we are seeing, yes. So yeah, yesterday I remember this. Yesterday I saw that, okay, we might not reach higher because, yeah, the impulse looks a little bit weak, and also we already got a higher high, which was perfectly done. And if you remember that, yeah, all these counts were filled already there. All right. So it's a very weak structure, by the way, for a wave 5. But however, still, this is the XRP character, by the way, which I realized since I'm analyzing XRP lately. So inside wave A now, what I'm looking for is a wave A. So I'm going to remove this since we have finished. We got the top. What I'm looking for is a wave A, and B, and a C. Here we go. For this downtrend here, right? So as a wave A, if I'm looking for a wave A here, or finished wave A, first of all, I need some support, right, to say, okay, it might finish here, which is very close, right? Inside wave A, I can see, yeah, wave A has started even, I think, from here even. However, yeah, it can be taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4, 5. Okay, we see several 4, 5s here, and that because 1 2 1 2 oof, 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 4 5. Oh my god. Okay. That could be, this is, as I said, very XRP character. Okay, so even it could be, has started from here, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 4 5. Okay, so we're gonna see triple 4 5 as well for triple 1 2s. So that's very likely. All right, very likely. However, this is again XRP, the way of XRP, how to be very specialized with its character, right? So I'm gonna put this a little bit in bigger to see the wave much clearer. All right, so what I'm looking for after hitting or finishing the wave, which is very likely to finish it here, right? Very likely. I'm looking for 3 waves up towards the upside, and I'm looking, let's say this is gonna be the wave B retracement, right? So very likely that we get, as this should be reversed, yeah. So very likely that we reach wave B somewhere here. I mean, preferably is 0.618. All right, this is the most perfect fib level for me as a wave B. So yeah, expect 3 waves up, guys, towards the 0.61 cent for XRP. And after all, we're gonna look for an impulse, whether a diagonal or an impulse as a wave C, and we take it from there, what's going on and so on. Maybe it's gonna be more than enough, right? More than enough to move on with a bigger wave 3, right? We're gonna see this and read this in the next videos. Please hit the like button if you like the content, and if you did not subscribe yet for the channel, support this channel and please subscribe. And yeah, have a nice day. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.